My name is Susan. I'm 62 and I came to Dr. Kusuma for a facelift revision and an eyelid revision. Well, actually, I came to you because I had a scar that I wanted to have revised. And so when you and I started talking about it, we were talking about my scar, which led into some other things that I wanted to fix with my face, such as my eyes, and have a more youthful look. So that's really how I started my conversation with having a facelift. Well, I had a facelift prior to coming to see you, and I really was not happy with my results at all. So you and I discussed how we could do some revisions to get me the look that I wanted. I was actually at a dermatologist appointment and they referred me to you across the street because I came for a scar revision over there, and they sent me to you. Then they said that you were an amazing doctor and plastic surgeon that could fix my scar. Well, I thought your demeanor was so calming and very self-assuring. I felt really great after you and I spoke. And then your staff, the ladies in the front office, were absolutely unbelievable. They made me feel really at ease. I mean, it's not easy. I wouldn't say it was like a walk in the park, but it wasn't something that was so terrible that I would not recommend it to my friends and family. There was maybe like 3 days of downtime, and then I was back at work. I would absolutely do it again. Well, a lot of my friends that we've gone out to dinner with are now booking appointments with you because they want to get partial facelifts because of the naturalness of my face. A lot of people would not know. I do tell people because I want them to come see you about their faces. And so it's been so positive and so wonderful. It's really been great. I mean, I just feel so much better about myself and the way I can put on makeup, and my skin looks better, and I just feel very rejuvenated. And even though I'm 62, I don't feel 62 inside, but I'm 62, and that's really, I just feel so wonderful about that. I would tell them 1,000,000% to come see you, just to talk about, what they want, what their results would be, and make a decision for themselves. But definitely to consider coming here because my results have been fantastic.
Hi, my name is Ellie. I'm 64 years old. I had a facial rejuvenation about a year ago, and I'm here for my follow-up with Dr. K. I had decided to take this journey probably maybe 3-4 years ago. I had a friend that had gone through it. She had some positive experiences, and I wanted to follow in her steps. I saw Dr. K's practice, and I started following his Facebook page for a couple of years before I got the confidence to go in and visit with them. Meeting him and his team, they were just all so very nice and supportive that I became very comfortable with them and moved forward. And because of all the positive reviews he has gotten, and because of the staff and Dr. K, being so patient and taking time to speak with me and make recommendations. The recovery went very well. I was really surprised. I thought there would be more pain or more downtime, but it really progressed nicely. And Dr. K was very good at setting my expectations along, again, with the staff. My support at home was my friends, really, that had gone through it. If I had to choose to do it all over again, yes, I would definitely do it again. It's definitely worth it. I've received a lot of compliments from friends and coworkers. I haven't shared with my coworkers. I'm sure they probably assume what I've done, but yeah, I've received a lot of compliments. My confidence definitely has increased. Being the oldest person on my work team and being on Zoom calls all day, I feel a lot better looking at my face now than before when I was looking like the oldest person there, like their grandmothers. If anybody is on the fence considering a facial rejuvenation, please do it. Do it. You'll love it. You'll feel better. Definitely take that step. Thinking about a facial rejuvenation, move forward. I would call Dr. Kusuma's office and get in to see them right away. They're fabulous. They'll walk you through everything, and you definitely won't regret it.
Hi, I'm Perry. I'm 65 years old. I came here for a facelift revision. I was in my early 50s and I thought it was time. I had surgery prior to that and I was not happy with the results at that time. So I came to Dr. Kusuma. He was highly recommended and I felt very comfortable coming for a consultation. I was in my early 50s and I had reconstruction prior to coming here. Just did not turn out well. Yes, I had facial reconstruction and I came in for a consult with Dr. Kusuma. He was highly recommended through a friend. I came in for a consult and he made me feel very comfortable. He listened to my concerns and he really explained it in a way that I can understand it. It was minimal. I was very, very pleased with it. It was about 10 days before I can put makeup on and go out and feel comfortable, and maybe a couple of weeks after that where I can play golf. I was in my early 50s and I made the decision to reconstruction of my face, and I did not have good results with another surgeon, so I came here. I heard about him. He came highly recommended through a friend of mine. I had a consultation with him. I felt very comfortable after he explained everything in terms that I can understand, and he really listened to my concerns. I was turning 50. I had a facelift prior to coming here at Dr. Kusuma's office. I did not get the results that I was hoping for. I heard about the practice through a friend, a mutual friend, and he came highly recommended. I had a consultation with Dr. Kusuma, so I chose this practice because he really explained things in terms that I felt comfortable with. I was just very pleased with the consultation and he earned my trust. My recovery was minimal. I was really pleased with that. Within 10 days, I was putting makeup on and going out with friends. And within a couple of weeks after that, the recovery was almost complete and I was playing golf. My daughter was my complete support. My daughter was my complete support. Absolutely. I would choose to do the surgery again. I had great results. I might do it again in 20 years if I need to. And I would always choose Dr. Kusuma. Everyone thinks I look more relaxed, more confident because I'm a little shy, and now I feel better about myself when I'm dressed and going out. I think I would tell them, if they're on the fence about having a facelift, to be confident in your surgeon. Let them listen to your concerns. Definitely to choose Dr. Kusuma because I would come back to him for different procedures as well.